Hey look, it's Memphis, Tennessee. Hello friends, I'm here with the Minis today to do a low light comparison between the Mini 1 and the Mini 2. They're so similar, except for the camera. This is actually a perfect spot to do low light filming in Memphis, as you've got the Bass Pro Shop pyramid over there, and then over yonder, you've got the Hernando de Soto Bridge, and then behind me, you've got the city. And to keep all legal schmeagle, I've got the strobe from LumeCube. And you can get one too. There's a link in the description. It's very bright. Yes, if you're a hobbyist, you can fly at night, but you must follow the rules. And we'll just stick that on right like that. All right, so first, let's get a shot of the city. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? 2.7K. I'm gonna spin around and check out the bridge. Oh, there it is. It does a light show about like every 30 minutes or so. It always seems whenever I put the cameras up, I always miss it though. So over to the Bass Pro Shop. It's kind of in the distance. Let me get a little closer if I can. No, I'm not gonna fly over the road. Green neon looks good, doesn't it? The sun continues to go down, and I'll follow this car around and show you the city one more time. There you go, very nice. Okay, now for the Mini 2. And we'll put the LumeCube on it. Turn it on, get it to blinky blink. Yeah. Take off. I can already tell the light sensitivity is a little bit better. And to be fair, it's a few minutes later because it took me a minute to set this up, so it's a little bit darker than with the Mini 1. First, a shot of the city. Wow, I'll put them side by side so you can see the difference. Oh, wow. Wow, already impressed. Let's swing around and see the bridge. What do you think? Huh? Better? Still not dancing. Now let's go over and check out the pyramid. Oh man. I'm gonna head on over there. Wow. Now I trust OcuSync a little bit more than the Mini 1, so should I fly under the overpass and get even closer? Yeah. Oh man. Wow. This is awesome. Wow. This is what you get with OcuSync. I bet I could go up to the top and say hello to the people. Full signal, no dropout. Are there people up there? I think there are. Let's say hi. My goodness. Will they wave? Hello, people. That's awesome. I think they're waving. Are they waving? Do they even see me? Hello. Oh, and you can see the sunset through the building. Wow. Look at this. This is just impressive. This is the kind of performance you get from a larger sensor on like the Phantom 4. I'm tempted to fly around the other side, but I'm not gonna do it. But I will try to get the city reflected in the pyramid, if I can. No, maybe not. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I would never have the confidence to do this with the One. In fact, let's zip over to the bridge. It might just be showtime. I'm gonna pop it into sport mode. I'm gonna fly over when there's no traffic underneath me, which is perfectly legal. So I'll have to wait for a break in the traffic and then fly over. Cut to other side of bridge. Now, if camera 2 can swing around and show exactly how far away the bridge is from here, camera 2, show the bridge. And I will also show you on Google Maps. I'll take a ruler and show you exactly how far from the controller we are. This is just gorgeous. I hope the bridge will start dancing. One of the things you can do to check the stability of any drone is to just let it hover in space, and that's what I'm doing right now. Look at the corners, and you can see how steady this little itty bitty drone is. Now, there's not a lot of wind today, but it really is very stable. And the colors, just on my phone, look fantastic. I can't wait to check it out on a big editing monitor or a television. I'm gonna get a little closer so you can get more detail of the bridge. I really hope it starts doing its light show. This is the first time I've flown my new Mini 2 over water. I totally trust it. Oh, you can see the reflection on the water. Beautiful. So I'm running out of battery. I do have video of what the bridge does look like when it's dancing. So here's that. This was done with a Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0. It's beautiful. But I have to bring little Mini home. After all that, it still has more than half the battery left. And it's 2 feet away from me, and it's so quiet. Thank you, new friend. Well, that's it. And of course, the bridge starts dancing now that it's the end. Pretty cool though, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And thank you, Mini 2, for being awesome. And just to let you know, the Mini 1 has found a new home with Steve. Steve, you promised to take care of her?
She'll be sweet.
You promised to give her hugs and kisses every day?
Every day.
And talk sweetly to her?
Every day.
Okay, very good. Until next time, buh.
And bye.
That's it. If you're interested in how to get your daytime waiver, your 14 CFR Part 107.29 daytime waiver, well, simply go to the Drone Zone at the FAA website. I'll put a link in the description. This is the website to go to register your drone. It's only $5 and it'll keep Uncle Sam off your tail. Here is my inventory. I've got quite a few things in here that I've registered over the years. Go back to the main page and then you'll see where you can apply for a daytime waiver. This is where you start the process. Just make sure you have all of your information ready. Cross your T's and dot your I's because the FAA is very, very careful about approving these waivers. But once you get one, they're good for 4 years, which is strange because the Part 107 itself is only good for 2 years. Speaking of which, if you want to learn everything you need to know to get your Part 107 so that you can be certified to make actual money legally with the FAA and your drone imagery, then go to remotepilot101.com, pay one price right here, and that is for life. So whenever you have to take the test again, you come back here, use Heron 18 for a 30% discount, and that'll knock it down to $104. remotepilot101.com. All links in the description.